Recessive genes are versions of a gene that only express their associated trait when an individual inherits two copies of that specific recessive allele, one from each parent. If an individual inherits one dominant allele and one recessive allele for a particular gene, the dominant allele's trait will be expressed and the recessive trait will be masked or hidden. In this case, the individual is considered a carrier of the recessive gene, meaning they possess it but do not show the trait themselves. For a recessive trait to be outwardly visible, an individual must be homozygous recessive, meaning they have two identical copies of the recessive allele. If a person has one dominant and one recessive allele, they will display the dominant trait. K. The inheritance pattern of recessive genes can be illustrated using a Punnett square. If both parents are carriers, there is a 25% chance their offspring will inherit two recessive alleles and express the recessive trait. A 50% chance they will be carriers and show the dominant trait, and a 25% chance they'll inherit two dominant alleles and also show the dominant trait. Many genetic disorders are inherited in a recessive manner. Examples include cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and Tay-Sachs disease. For a child to develop such a disorder, they must inherit a mutated recessive gene from both parents, who are often unaffected carriers.